Okay, I think I'm done.
I think I'm crazy. Today I've been craving. It's I've heard it quite plainly. Just give me the baby.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to another vlog. I just boarded the plane to go to Houston, Texas. If you didn't know, my little sis Dana Marie have moved to Houston, Texas, and I'm so excited. I am going to be visiting her because it's her birthday, and I actually want to move to Houston, Texas. So this is a real big experience for me. Every time I do come to Houston, Texas, it is for the experience so that I can get comfortable with the new lifestyle I'm about to come. In this vlog, we are going to be having so much fun within just a few days while I'm out here in Houston, Texas. I want to get so many things out the way. We are about to surprise my little sis because it is her birthday and she was feeling super down, and you know, she's in a new city, new state by herself. We about to surprise her right now in 3, 2, 1. It's starting. Happy birthday, Dana. Okay. I'm coming. What? It didn't want to open? Oh, who locked the top? Surprise! Birthday! We just surprised her and she started crying. Come say hi. But Dana, happy birthday!
No, the trouble that we went through.
We went through so much setting this up, like.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
I'm so happy.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Wait, I'm so happy.
Yeah, the whole time I'm thinking he wants the word.
We all gonna take a cotton candy shot.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe
Time to cut the cake. We about to go out.
rather see my heart turn crystal.
Good morning, you guys. It's the next day in Houston, Texas, and best believe I had to hit up the Galleria Mall. I heard the Galleria Mall is the biggest mall with all the luxury stores. I had to go into this mall without leaving Texas, you guys. They had all the high ends and they had an ice skating rink. Okay, best believe I went to Sara because I had to look for Ebonywood's perfume, and then we went to the movies to watch the Black Panther Wakanda Forever, and it was a vibe. I'm gonna take you guys along the way and let's go.
I need the box.
You guys, I've been trying to get my hands on Ebonywoods in New York and nowhere have it. Everywhere is sold out. I'm so happy I found it out here in Houston. Let me get the clothes. I'd be a fool if I go back to my ex-boyfriend.
What did I say?
Anyways, she got sponsored by Dossier and I want to try it. One of them smell like Lost Cherry Tom Ford. This one is the ambery cherry and it smells like Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Like, and then the next one is ambery saffron. If you haven't heard about Dossier, they're like dupes to big brand. It smells so good. They're dupes to the big brand perfumes, and it's so crazy because the last time I came to Houston, if y'all watched that vlog, we was in the mall. I made them try the Lost Cherry Tom Ford and her boyfriend was gonna get it for her and he ended up not getting it. A few weeks later, Dossier hit her up and they said, we want to send you the dupe. Look at God. Okay. But
I want to try.
I don't know what this one smells like, but I love it. It's orange blossom.
Oh, that's
plum.
This girl be that smell like this on my job. That smells so good.
Who is that?
One thing about it, I'm gonna put on some perfume. I done put on Ebonywood. I done put on Lost Cherry Dossier.
One thing about it,
I'm a little lit right now, y'all. But we about to head out. We about to head out.
Perhaps there was more than one meteorite. Our planet is covered of mostly water, so it's reasonable that
You know, the great mound, all of the legends and fables, those stories are seared in my mind. So we have to find this scientist after all.
So, when are we leaving so I can see my favorite colonizer?
We are looking for the scientist who built the vibranium detector. Is it Kenfly?
Yes, princess. Yes, General.
Take me to the princess.
I'm hearing you out.
We about to fill that full, y'all. The chairs are moving in here.
Keep me safe, safe and sound.
Oh, everybody left. A lot of people left thinking it's over. Hey guys, so it's the next day and we're supposed to be going gun ranging. This is my last day in Houston, Texas. I look real cute, real chill. I got on this black lace top that I got from Amazon. I do want to put y'all onto this top because I found a bunch of cute lace tops from Amazon that's like really flirty or whatever. But also I got this skirt from Fashion Nova. It's like a tennis skirt from Fashion Nova. It's so cute. It's just chill. And then I got my Gucci sandals on. Yeah, I don't have like a full mirror where I can show you, but my little sis is taking pictures. I honestly want to show y'all. She has a photo shoot today and we had to come over here so she can take some pictures. So I'm gonna just try to, you know, sneak the camera over there. I be real shy when I have my camera out, so it's like awkward. But also we're supposed to go to the gun range and yeah, let me show you.
body, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm pretty, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint.
So they about to change into the second outfit. Yes, photographer, Houston to photographer.
Chanel JPEG, follow me.
Yes, I'm gonna leave her name on the screen. Yes, face card. Y'all, that scared me. Y'all, we just got to the gun range and we hear gunshots. We're like, ah! This is come and shoot. They're gonna look at me like, look how I'm dressed, coming in here, talking about I wanna shoot a gun. I want to shoot a gun. Thank you. Thank you. I can't hear anything, y'all. Oh, there's so much bullets on the floor. I'm whispering. I can't hear anything.
Are you aiming? Mm-hmm. All right, shoot. Remember, do not let the gun go.
I'm not.
Shoot.
Diana, you see?
You did good. Do it again. Do it again and aim. Aim. That right there, you didn't aim, but aim and shoot. Okay?
I didn't hit nothing.
Get your hand out.
Okay.
Always keep your hand and the gun straight on the target. Always.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Take it away from me. Take it far away. I'm shaking too much.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all, this is... I gotta just calm down because it's not that bad. But like when you shoot it, the gun go like this. The gun go like it goes up, and I'm like, what the fuck?
Hold it tight so it doesn't move.
That bullet is powerful.
That's how you get your target.
I'm gonna cut this right here because this is too much for me. Let me see if I can catch her.
Hitting the target.
Because every time you shoot, you probably move your eye this way, and you're not looking straight when you're shooting. You're always like, and then you move the gun. As soon as the bullet goes, it comes out. It's easy.
So wait, we using this whole thing?
Yeah. 15 on the paper. All 40 girls passed.
Okay, y'all, this one is ours. And I shot right there. You see the one at the top right there? That was me with the white. I'm shaking because I'm still scared, but I did that. I hit the paper, right?
You hit the paper twice.
Where though? Where the white is?
With the top
At least
one.
you hit the paper. I didn't hit shit.
I
didn't hit no
I know.
You hit here.
He's saying I hit right there, y'all.
The second one you hit here, and the third one you hit here.
And then I hit the arm. I was aiming, like when you said look, my eyes up here and I'm aiming, but when you pull it back, it goes up. What's up, you guys? It's another day. It's a few days later. I literally came from Houston and it was such a vibe. Loved it. Can't wait to go back. I'm honestly thinking about moving there, but today is my birthday. It's my birthday and we about to go to a place called Magic Hour. If you look it up, child, Magic Hour is a vibe, okay? Like, I'm gonna show y'all in just a second. It's so pretty in there and I just wanted to go because I just wanted the girls to feel pretty and just drink up and eat some appetizers and take nice pictures for the gram. So that's where we about to go right now. But it is my birthday, you guys, and I just want to give a little message before we go. I just want to say continue to be a blessing. Pretty much continue to be a blessing everywhere you go. Be teachable. Houston opened my eyes a lot. And anyways, it's Scorpio season, y'all, so anybody that's a Scorpio, gang, I don't know what I'm doing. Y'all saw that when I went to Houston, I went to the gun range. Yo, the gun range, out of control, okay? The gun range, y'all, the way I was holding that gun, and it just felt like I felt like no, let me just say what I really gotta say, because the gun range was crazy. I can't believe I held a gun, y'all. I can't believe I held a gun. Like, if you know me in real life, you know that I'm like this girly, like I'm not touching no gun. Like, they saying that in Houston everybody have to have a gun, but if I move out there, I don't think I'm gonna have. I don't know. I know it's for protection and all, but yo, the power in that gun, y'all. Oh, by the way, my mom got me this beautiful bracelet for my birthday. Isn't she cute? And then my sis got me this bracelet. The gifts was so beautiful and heart-warming. Like, I wanted to cry today. I went to church this morning. I had to go to church on my birthday, y'all, because I just needed the blessings and I needed to hear good things. And also, we went out last night to open my birthday at some club called Cavalli in New York City, Queens. It was a vibe. Like, everybody was dressed up like they was in prom suits, tuxedos. It was a vibe. It was my type of vibe, okay? I haven't been to that club in a while, but it was such a vibe. We got bottles. I'll put some up here so y'all can see. And then other than that, I know I ain't finished about the gun range, but the gun range was, you gotta go for yourself. And now I could check it off my bucket list and I'm so happy. But like, I was shaking. I was shaking, okay? I don't need no gun. But anyways, if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe, because I be having some views, but y'all don't be subscribing. Like, what's the problem? What you want me to do? Tell me in the comments down below what you really want me to do. But anyways, I want to take y'all on a journey with me, especially that I'm about to do something big. I've been telling y'all that for the longest. I am going to be moving soon, so stay tuned for the moving series vlog. Just did my own hair. I didn't get the time to even do my nails for my birthday, but luckily I had some French nails already. That's like semi. I just need a fill-in. I'm gonna get a fill-in tomorrow. Anyways, I did my own hair. I didn't have time to go get it done because I was traveling and stuff. But anyways, I'll catch y'all in my next vlog. I love y'all so much. See you later.